Okay, Eddie, you want to go for a walk? Let's go take a look. Here we go. This way, this way. Come on, Poop. Come on, follow me. Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go. So big doings around here. We're taking down a fence, putting up a fence. And this is really cool right here. The new walkway. Is this gorgeous? And here we go. First walk. Down, around. So you see some of the bushes are gone, the big forsythia is gone, but it opens it up. And they're cutting and placing, and it looks gorgeous. November 15th, 2019.